does my hair taste? Ouch, my earring. Eee. Does it taste good? Ouch! Ouch! Yeah, my hair must taste really good. Hey. Your little nails are sharp. Ouch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Give it back. Oh, good. Thanks. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. This is the little boy right here. Ouch. And the little girl's trying to eat my hair. There she is. What is it? Uh-oh. Maybe I should lay it all the way down. Hi, fuzzy.